Hey, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? I just wanted to jump on here and let those of you know that we here at Ross Welding, me and my part-time help, I say we as in we're a skeleton crew, but I wanted to let you know that we do have some room on the calendar. I would like to start ramping up the service base business, the service base side of our business. And so I just wanted to let those of you know that I stay plenty busy with the online stuff, posting videos and, marketing the online courses and stuff. But I'm trying to transition into offering more service-based stuff. So although the time's still limited, I wanted to just let you know that I wanted to start offering some more service-based stuff. So for those of you that might be new to the channel, something that we've done a little bit of here on the channel is built entryways. Here's an entryway that a guy had me built and he just hadn't picked it up yet. But you can see this is an 8-inch entryway. The ends are 45'd and capped. That's the horizontal there. And the two uprights are, try not to trip over myself here. The two uprights have got the 6-inch with 45s, and those will go as the uprights, like I said, underneath this horizontal here. And so I point that out to those of you that may not live in central Oklahoma, or even if you do and you want us to build you an entryway like this and leave it in 3 parts like this. That way you can either come get it and pick it up and install it yourself, if you live a ways away, or we could deliver it and you could just have somebody local install your entryway. So anyway, that's something that we do. We also offer custom built gates, so to go with the entryway as well. Handrails, anything else, any kind of like random mobile maintenance, like if you have a big ranch or a big farm in central Oklahoma, I'm going to say within an hour of Stillwater, Oklahoma, I can do just random maintenance, whatever type of, if you got a whole bunch of fence that needs tended to, pipe fence or corrals or something that needs tended to. I have a goal of getting another welding truck put together. I've got my 95 over here that I need to get another welding machine for. So that's one of my little goals, is to set up another welding rig so I can put an intern in it, or just a guy that has a little bit of welding experience and wants to get more experience. And he could also do the maintenance stuff as well. Really anything, I would teach him, or he may already know, depending on who it is, how to do a lot of the stuff I know how to do. And that would open up, 2 welding rigs that we would have to offer. And even longer term goals would be to invest in a skid steer, and that way we're more valuable, maybe a mini hoe, stuff like that. So I just want to start growing the service-based stuff, so I wanted to post a video and just being transparent and letting those of you know what my goals are. So if you're interested in Ross welding services, email me at arosswelding@gmail.com, and we'll see if we're a good fit. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day, and remember, learn something every day.